Hello again. It's time for that new lesson. First of all, I'm sorry that I haven't been making any Croatian lessons in the few past weeks. I'll try to do one per week in the following months. Anyway, today we're going to talk about farm animals. First of all, or second of all, there is some unwritten rule that you can usually use a word which is grammatically seen a female one for both male and female animals. Especially, well, there are some exceptions, but especially when the distinction between like of the physique of the female and male animal isn't very easy. Like if they're looking very similar or almost the same. So let's begin with a mouse. I couldn't find any word for a male or a female mouse. So that means it's mish for both. Mish. A cat, mačka. If you don't know that it's a male one, you can always say mačka, mačka. But if you know that it is a male one, you can say mačak, mačak. A dog is called pas, pas. Here we got the male form for both male and female dogs, and if you want to point out that it's a female dog, you can say kuja. But take care, it's also a pejorative word for women. A horse. You can say konj. That's another one of those where a male word is used for both ones if you don't know, or if you don't want to point out that one of the horses that you see or name is female. So that's the male form, konj, konj. And you can also say pastuch for a male. For that's a special or zoologic word for the male horse, pastuch, and for the female horse it's kobila. As far as I know, that's a word, a pejorative expression for bastard, also, or something like that. So once again, take care. A cow, krava. So like if you see I don't think I think there is a distinction between a male and a female cow, at least. I mean, like if you want to say it's a bull, then you say big, big. And if you want to say it's an ox, it's called vol in Croatian, vol. A duck. Again, the female form for all of them, patka, patka. And if you want to point out that it's a male one, it's patak, patak. A chicken. A chicken. It's kokoš for the female ones, for the female individuals, and it's kokot, kokot or pietal for the male ones. So kokoš is the female one, and kokot kokoš is the female one, and kokot or pietal is the male one. Okay, I'm sorry for the interruption. Where did I step out? Yeah, a sheep. It's called ovca. You can say ovca for both, or maybe if the ovca doesn't have any horns. And if it's a male one, you can say ovan. A goat. In Croatian you say koza for both. And again, if there are no horns, and if it's a male one, you say jarac, or maybe dialectal jare. But I really tried to avoid any dialectal words because there's a big number of dialectal words for any of those animals. But anyways, a donkey is a magarac. I'm not sure if there's any female kind of a donkey. So a pig is a svinja. You can say svinja for both female ones and male ones, but if you want to take the special or zoologic expression, you say krmača for the female ones, and nerast or vepar, but that's a wild pig. You can say nerast. And last but not least, a goose, which is guska. You can also say gusak for male ones, gusak. So I'll go through all the words, or most of them, once again. A mouse, myš. A cat, mačka. A dog, pas. A horse, konj. A cow, krava. A duck, patka. A sheep, ovca. A goat, koza. A pig, svinja. A goose, guska. Thanks for watching, and I'll add the list that I made for all of those animals at the end of the video. See you soon!